Minimus.
Yeah, nakita nga namin yung ano. Very interesting yung movie.
Yes.
Siguro dahil nakaka-relate din ako. Joke.
Very daring at the same time.
Yeah. I think ito yata ang first time na makita ko ng film na talking about that. Tungkol ba saan yung movie? More on
Normality of abnormality siguro. Parang siguro yung taong katulad ko, na chubby, ganyan, can have a normal life. Meron akong regular job na maganda and I have a good-looking boyfriend. Kaya lang medyo may twist. So, I also fall into affairs, ganyan. So, parang totoong buhay lang talaga. But it's an adult comedy, so
ang
nakakaloka.
kasama sa i-discuss dito yung love life mo, yung
Yes.
pati yung from work, ganyan, lahat.
Sex life.
Pati sex. Oh,
Yes.
that's interesting. Oh.
It is.
First project?
First lead. Although,
First lead.
Opo. Yung iba pong movies na nasamahan ko, mga tulong lang sa friends na indie. But the most recent one that I did was For And I Love You So. Co-teacher ako ni Bea doon.
So yun lang yung mainstream mo?
Yeah.
So more on indie?
Yes. And I came from theater originally. So, last year lang ako na-open up sa
Theater. Saan ka na nag-perform sa theater?
Dula ang UP.
Okay.
I studied there.
Mas ano ka ba? Mas komportable ka ba in independent film than mainstream? Or
Actually, parang pareho lang siya eh. Feeling ko it's just that passion ko talaga umarte. So, whatever field it is, whether indie or mainstream, basta po nagtatrabaho ako, I think I'm happy. And I'm performing my passion. So, masaya po ako po.
so yung experience mo with this Maximus and Minimus, ano yung hindi mo makakalimutan?
Oh my gosh. Actually, yung buong experience hindi ko makakalimutan eh. Kasi syempre first lead ko to. First time na di talaga ako nagpapahinga sa set, ganyan, at lahat ng eksena kasama ko halos. Pero ang mga eksena siguro na hindi ko makakalimutan was I was supposed to drive in the film. Hindi naman po talaga ako nagda-drive. So, merong it-take na kailangan talaga makita yung mukha ko. Sumampa talaga ako sa sidewalk at caught on film siya, so nakakahiya. And then, another scene siguro na nakakaloka is yung mga bed scene. Kasi syempre, bago sa akin, yung sa theater, ang dali magdaya eh. But in film, kailangan halos totoo, diba? So, siguro yun yung isa sa pinaka nakakaloka. Pero yung mga
Did you show flesh? As in
naman.
hindi
Sila
na.
direct na were very considerate at madali silang kausap. Opo. And yung mga co-actors ko naman po, na mga naka-eksena ko, are very good friends of mine. Kaya hindi na po ilang, tsaka maayos yung usapan. Alright. Kasi Direk Knapp was originally a cinematographer talaga. Yun yung forte niya. So this is his debut directorial film. Tapos, ang napansin ko po talaga sa bawat eksena is, pag nanonood ako ng playback, ang ganda talaga niya. As in, para siyang commercial. Kung nga yung kwarto ko na nagbabasa lang ako ng libro, kasi yung character ko mahilig magbasa. Parang Johnson & Johnson commercial yung itsura niya. As in, ang ganda talaga. It's so beautiful. So, mas na-inspire kami as actors to do good and to support the beauty of the film. Para hindi lang siya puro visual, it's also intellectual and emotional. So yun, mabuti naman po at supportahan. My leading man is Mikel. He's playing the role of Maximus, Papu. Friends kami since high school pa kami, so talagang sobrang okay yung relationship namin, komportable na kami, may chemistry daw kami, ganyan, kasi we're comfortable. Kaya okay po, I'm very happy sa cast. I think it's a perfect casting. And yung boyfriend ko po sa film is Baron. Matagal na rin po kaming friends and our families are very close. Kaya I'm very happy.
So, dalawa ang guy sa
Yes!
Wow.
Ang taray ko dito. I'm inviting everyone na manood po ng Maximus and Minimus. Sigurado po kung maloloka kayo dahil sobrang kakaiba ng pelikulang to.